Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm making video tutorials on the advanced website builder within Tailor brands. This video tutorial is focusing on how you can add an image showing the before and after. I think this is really useful function to have within a website. So I've uploaded a templated website here. The before and after is actually a widget within the website builder. If I just go to widget now, I can either type in before after, or I can scroll down to media and I can see here before and after, and I'm just going to drag this in. Automatically creates a row and it actually gives you this templated example here. So you've got a before and after, and as I scroll this across here, this is just basically showing it darker and lighter. Let's make it a bit more exciting by adding in an image. So if you click on this now, you'll have this menu come up, and we want a before image. Now you can either search on the free stock images, upload your own, but I'm just going to choose one from here, and I'm going to choose this phone. So that is the before image. And now we go to the after image. If I click on this, again, you can go to the free stock images, upload your own, or I'm going to load one of these here, and I'm going to select this one. You probably can see what the effect's already doing. So let's have a look at this. So now what I have is an after and before effect on a smartphone device. As I scroll, it's one color. As I scroll the other way, it goes the other way. So the after and before. Now you may notice, because it's a white line, I've lost it, so I can find it here and drag it across. We now need to edit the design. So if I now go to design, we can now look at the image slider. So we might want to change the width of the slider itself. I'm just going to keep it full width, makes it a bit more exciting. Keep proportion. The slider color. So it does clash when it goes onto the white, so I might want to change that to a color I can see. Purple might work, pink might be better. Now as I slide this, you can actually see the slider. So I'll change the slider color. And I can start from the left, the middle, or the right. Starting from the middle is a good option. In terms of labels, the after and before, you can have a background color, which is no background color at this stage. You can have some corners. There's three pixels at the moment. You can change that if you wanted to. Make the corners bigger. You can add a border. You can also look at the label text. So this is the font, the size of the font. You might want it bigger. The font color, you might want it bold, and the text direction. And coming back here, you can, in terms of label position, you can have it in the center, the top. The text is now at the top. I like it in the center. Display labels, you can have it on hover, or you can have it on all the time, always. Maybe that's not a bad option, so you can actually see them. You can add some animation to the before and after. What this does, this has two triggers, as entrance and scroll. For entrance, when I come to this part of the page, it will actually take effect. And we might want it to roll in. And we might want to roll in from the right or from the left. You can change the duration, delay, and intensity, and you can preview the animation. And you can also add some spacing. So that is effectively the before and after slider. I find it really useful.